него зеркало не вижу нифига, Жень.
Imagine this, late April. A time that should be filled with blooming spring suddenly turns white under a blanket of snow. This is what's happening in Belarus, a rare and shocking event that has caught residents off guard.
Тихо, не кричи, вот помоги, Алексей.
Snow has been reported across multiple regions, including Grodno, Novogrudok, Slutsk, and Korolichi. Even small villages like Pastovici are now covered in a thin layer of snow. This unusual phenomenon is driven by an intrusion of Arctic air, rapidly turning rain into snow within hours. But this is far from ordinary snowfall. In the southwest, a powerful storm system is unleashing its full force. Strong convective currents are carrying a dangerous mix of hail, wet snow, and intense winds sweeping across the region. In Grodno, thunder has been heard, clear evidence that thunderstorms are embedded within this extreme weather outbreak. The situation grows even more intense as wind gusts reach 20 to 25 meters per second in some areas. In the Ivatsavici district, the storm has even triggered dust storms, adding another layer of danger. North of Baranovici, cold air masses are driving bursts of snow, creating a surreal yet hazardous scene. The impacts are already being felt. Near Pruzhany, fallen trees have blocked roads, disrupting traffic. Meanwhile, in Koppel and Baranovici, residents are sharing striking images of snowfall during what should be a warm season. The most alarming damage has been reported in Brest, where powerful winds tore down a pavilion at the Warsaw market, captured on video by witnesses. At the same time, dust storms have reappeared in the Grodno region, highlighting just how unstable the atmosphere has become.
Зима.
Зима, холода, одинокий.
Although sunshine has briefly returned to parts of the southwest, the danger is far from over. Cyclone YLVI, moving in from the northwest, is expected to bring another wave of severe weather. Heavy rain, hail, wet snow, and possible thunderstorms are still on the horizon.
Новогодняя погода сместилась на 15 дней.
Authorities are urging residents to stay alert. Strong winds could topple trees and bring down power lines at any moment. Avoid parking near trees and limit outdoor activities until conditions improve. This extraordinary event is a powerful reminder nature can shift dramatically in an instant, even when the season is supposed to bring warmth.
Красносельский, 26 апреля. Вот такая у нас
Я чувствую машину.